In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix account for free. Whether you're looking to set up a personal blog, an online store, or just explore the creative tools Wix has to offer, setting up an account is the first step. And the best part? It's free and easy. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Wix.com. The homepage is where we'll kick things off. Right on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent Get Started button. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway into the world of customizable websites offered by Wix. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's one you check often, as it will be used for all your login and communication needs. So, type in your email and double-check it for any typos. Next, it's time to set up a password for your account. Choose something secure yet memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is often best. After you've typed in your password, you'll be prompted to confirm it. This is just to make sure there aren't any typing mistakes the first time around. Alternatively, if you want to simplify the sign-up process, Wix offers the option to continue with Google. By clicking on the Continue with Google button, you'll streamline account creation using your existing Google credentials. It's a quick way if you prefer not to create a new password. After setting up your account information, you'll be presented with options to customize your experience. You might see prompts asking you to choose your plan or introduce you to premium features, but for now, let's focus on the free options to get started. To continue, click the Continue button. This solidifies your entry point into the Wix ecosystem and prepares you for the exciting journey of building your website. As part of the setup, you'll be asked about the type of website you want to create. Whether it's a blog, a business site, or something else entirely, choose an option that best matches your vision. This helps tailor the design suggestions and resources you'll see as you go. Once you've made your selection, hit Continue to move forward in the process. You might be encouraged to explore additional setup steps, such as importing content or selecting specific features. However, if you're just looking to explore for now, you can skip additional setups by clicking Skip. And there you have it. You've successfully created your free Wix account. Now you're ready to dive into website creation and explore the various themes and tools available to make your site uniquely yours. Happy building and enjoy your new Wix account.